Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle Shorts. I'm the Honey Badger, and this is the Adventure 901 SB truck camper. It is short or long bed camper, preferably a 1-ton truck. You can technically do it with a 3/4 ton truck. It really depends on how much money you want to spend in upgrading your suspension. Now, this does have a sewer tank, so it has a bathroom. It has a toilet and shower, not a cassette. It is 4 seasons, 3-year structural. It weighs just around 3,040 pounds. Outside speakers, power awning. It has electric jacks all the way around. No generator. It does not have a generator. Big kitchen counter space, two-piece sink. Sorry. Drawers, lots and storage and drawers. Cabinets above, stereo system, $37,000, 6 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator, microwave, 3-burner stove and oven, booth dinette that turns into a bed. We'll get to that in a minute. You have the full wet bathroom. That's actually a bigger bathroom than you normally get. Lots of windows, lots of natural light, and the windows are nice and big and open up. It's not frameless like a lot of other manufacturers at this level. And then you have a true queen-size bed with a full closet. You also have the skylight and windows on each side, so you don't feel too claustrophobic in here. There is financing available. If you're wondering where it's located, I got the website where it's located in the description box below. Until next time, remember that RV always stands for toolkit and sense of humor.